Have you ever wondered why some places on Earth teem with a multitude of life forms, while others are relatively barren? This question brings us to the concept of biodiversity, a term that encapsulates the mesmerizing variety of life that our planet nurtures. Biodiversity isn't just about the staggering number of species, but also about the variation in genes within these species and the diverse ecosystems they form. Now, if you're imagining that this rich tapestry of life is spread evenly across the globe, think again. The distribution of biodiversity is as varied as life itself. Some areas are bursting with diverse life forms, while others host relatively fewer species. This disparity is due to a myriad of factors, from climate and geography to evolutionary history and species interactions. So, are you ready to dive deeper into understanding biodiversity? Let's take a trip to one of the most biodiverse and fascinating ecosystems in the world, the Amazon rainforest. Imagine stepping into a world where every inch is teeming with life, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It's a bustling metropolis of life, where organisms large and small interact in a complex dance of survival and symbiosis. Let's start our journey at the forest floor. It's dark down here with only 2% of sunlight making it through the dense vegetation above. Yet life thrives in this dim light. Giant anteaters rummage through leaf litter while tiny fungi decompose fallen trees, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Climb a little higher and we enter the understory. Here, the air is thick with humidity and the buzz of insects. Dart frogs with their vivid colors hop from leaf to leaf, while sloths move languidly through the branches, a slow-motion ballet in the green. Above the understory, we find ourselves in the canopy, the forest's beating heart. It's a whole other world up here, where sunlight dapples through the leaves and the air is filled with the calls of birds and monkeys. Orchids and bromeliads bloom, their sweet nectar attracting a host of pollinators from hummingbirds to bats. Finally, we reach the emergent layer, where the tallest trees reach for the sky. Harpy eagles soar above the canopy, while capuchin monkeys leap from branch to branch, truly living life on the edge. In the Amazon, every layer of the forest supports a unique community of organisms, each playing a vital role in this intricate web of life. From the microscopic bacteria in the soil to the jaguars prowling the forest floor, each species contributes to the forest's overall health and resilience. From this journey, it's clear that the Amazon rainforest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a dynamic, living entity where every organism, no matter how small, plays a crucial role. The Amazon rainforest is a living testament to the richness of biodiversity on our planet. In the Amazon, every living organism, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. This ecosystem, a complex web of life, is a thriving community where each member has a specific role to play. From the towering trees to the smallest insect, every element contributes to the smooth functioning of this intricate system. At the heart of this web, we find the concept of interdependence. This is the idea that everything in the ecosystem relies on everything else. The towering trees, for instance, provide shelter and food for countless animals and insects, while their roots help to keep the soil fertile and prevent erosion. In return, these creatures help the trees to pollinate and spread their seeds. But it's not just about the trees and the animals. The Amazon rainforest is also home to countless species of fungi and bacteria, which are just as crucial to the ecosystem. These tiny organisms help to break down dead material, returning essential nutrients to the soil and ensuring that the cycle of life continues. This web of life is a delicate balance, a dance of sorts, where every movement impacts the whole. A change to one part of the web can have far-reaching effects on the rest. This is why biodiversity is so crucial. The greater the variety of life, the more resilient the ecosystem is to change. Each species brings its unique contribution, its own dance moves, if you will, to the overall performance. The Amazon rainforest, with its staggering array of life, is a shining example of this. It's a place where thousands of species coexist, each playing their part in the grand scheme of things. Yet it's also a place of constant change, a testament to nature's ability to adapt and evolve in the face of adversity. So when we talk about the health of the Amazon, we're not just talking about the trees and the animals. We're talking about the entire web of life, the intricate network of relationships that makes this ecosystem one of the most diverse and vibrant on Earth. The diversity of life in the Amazon rainforest is a perfect example of how interconnected all life on Earth is. Biodiversity, as we've seen in the Amazon, is not just about the number of species, but also about the intricate relationships between them. Let's delve into the myriad benefits of biodiversity, a true global treasure, and how it contributes to our survival and prosperity. Biodiversity is the lifeblood of our planet, providing ecosystem services that sustain life. These services are often taken for granted, yet they are fundamental to our well-being. Picture an apple tree buzzing with bees. These tireless workers are not just collecting nectar, they're pollinating the flowers, a crucial service ensuring the production of apples. Bees, birds, bats, and other creatures carry out this vital role in ecosystems around the world, enabling the production of countless fruits, vegetables, and nuts that form the cornerstone of our diets. But the benefits of biodiversity extend beyond our plates. Wetlands, for instance, act as natural filters, purifying the water we drink. They trap sediments and absorb pollutants, providing us with clean, fresh water. Similarly, forests play a crucial role in climate regulation. They act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, helping to combat climate change. Biodiversity also bolsters our health. Many of the medicines we use today come from nature. From the bark of the willow tree that gave us aspirin to the rosy periwinkle plant that treats certain types of cancer, biodiversity is a veritable pharmacy. Moreover, biodiversity is a key driver of economic development. It supports sectors like agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and tourism, providing livelihoods to billions of people worldwide. By preserving biodiversity, we're investing in our future, ensuring that these sectors remain productive and sustainable. Yet, we must remember that all these benefits hinge on the intricate relationships between species. Disrupting these relationships can have cascading effects, threatening not just individual species, but entire ecosystems. Biodiversity is indeed our planet's most valuable resource, and it's up to us to protect it. Despite its importance, biodiversity is under threat like never before. You see, the variety of life that thrives on our planet is facing challenges from several fronts. Let's take a moment to unravel some of these threats. Firstly, habitat loss is a major concern. As humans expand their territories, forests are cleared, wetlands are drained, and grasslands are converted into agricultural fields. This destroys the natural habitats that countless species call home, leading to a significant decline in their populations. Imagine being evicted from your home with nowhere else to go. That's the reality for many species today. Then there's the menace of climate change. Rising temperatures, shifting weather patterns, and increasing sea levels are causing drastic changes in ecosystems worldwide. For many species, these changes are too rapid to adapt to, leading to a loss in biodiversity. It's comparable to reshuffling a deck of cards mid-game. It throws everything into disarray. Overexploitation is another significant threat. Whether it's overfishing in our oceans, overhunting in our forests, or overharvesting in our fields, the relentless demand for resources is pushing many species towards extinction. It's like constantly withdrawing from a bank account without making any deposits. Eventually, the well runs dry. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are sprouting across the globe, aimed at protecting and preserving our planet's biodiversity. These initiatives range from establishing protected areas and implementing sustainable practices to restoring damaged habitats and promoting species recovery. It's a testament to the human spirit. When faced with a challenge, we roll up our sleeves and get to work. However, the road to conservation is steep and winding. It requires global cooperation, commitment, and above all, a profound respect for nature. It's a journey we must embark on for the sake of our planet and future generations. Because at the end of the day, the fate of our planet's biodiversity is in our hands. In our journey through the Amazon, we've seen the power and beauty of biodiversity firsthand. We've delved into the concept of biodiversity, a testament to the variety of life on Earth, and explored the intricate ecosystems that thrive because of it. These ecosystems, each a complex tapestry of interactions, are essential for the health of our planet. They clean our air, filter our water, and provide us with food, medicine, and so much more. But we've also seen the challenges these precious ecosystems face. The need for conservation has never been greater. Biodiversity is under threat, and with it, the resilience of our planet. We're losing species at an unprecedented rate, and each loss unravels a thread from the web of life. Let's remember, every action we take has an impact on the world's biodiversity. Our future hinges on our capacity to comprehend and honor this intricate tapestry of life. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to view more videos like this.